Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Sound ID. Roblox provides an amazing platform for creators to personalize their games with unique audio. Understanding how to create and utilize these sound identifiers is a fundamental skill for any developer. We will walk through the entire process, from preparing your audio file to successfully integrating it into your game. Let's get started on enhancing your Roblox creations with custom sounds. Before uploading, proper audio preparation is key. Roblox supports common formats such as MP3 and OGG, so make sure your file is compatible. It's also crucial to keep your audio concise. The maximum recommended duration is 7 minutes. Additionally, ensure your file size does not exceed 20 megabytes. Adhering to these specifications will guarantee a smooth and successful upload process. Now, let's get your audio onto the Roblox platform. First, head over to the Create section on the Roblox website. From there, you'll find an audio option under the Development items. Click on Upload and select your carefully prepared audio file. Remember to give your sound a clear, descriptive name, and you can also add an optional genre. This helps with organization. Once your audio is successfully uploaded, it will appear in your inventory. To retrieve its unique identifier, simply click on the audio asset to open its details page. You'll notice the sound ID prominently displayed, often within the URL or directly on the asset page itself. Copy this numerical ID, as it's what you'll use to integrate your custom sound into your Roblox Studio creations. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.